G'day guys, Luke Stevens from Port Shipping Containers, and it's been a little bit since we've done a video. We've been so busy and it's been all hands on deck for the last couple of months, but today we've got this really nice little workshop. It's got some really nice features inside, and I thought, you know what, let's do this. Drop everything, get a couple of videos out today, so let's go for a walkthrough now. Depending on what we're going to be doing inside this space, obviously these are completely customizable. And a workshop really is just a great space to be doing whatever we need to do inside of a controlled environment. This particular build, as you'll see down here, we've got an absolute ton of heavy duty racking the entire span of this 12-meter container. Down the other side here, what you're going to see is some pretty heavy duty workbenches as well, giving us the ability to move between workbench and storage behind us and having a really good walkway through the center here. For this particular workshop, power wasn't a massive contributing factor. So what we've done is we've put heaps of lights across the roof, and we've put 2 double power points just above the workbenches, just to give us that flexibility of whatever we need to use, we've got the power there at our hands. Now, on this wall here, what you'll see as well is 2 glass sliding windows. This will be perfect for good ventilation, and if we don't want to have the lights on, this will let in a ton of light to work in here safely. Depending on what you plan on doing inside your workshop, we can then customize the internal fit out, obviously, to match your needs. For this particular workshop, we're not going to be grinding and welding inside this space. So to save some money, we can run an industrial grade vinyl floor underfoot, as opposed to maybe an epoxy or even a checker plate floor. Those options are absolutely available depending on what we plan on using the space for. This workshop, the client didn't require an air conditioner. Instead, what we've chose to do is we've put some really good vents down one end. They're louvered vents that are waterproof, as well as our whirlybird or extraction down this end. It's going to give us plenty of air circulation through this workshop without the need of putting an air conditioner in here. We insulate a lot of our containers, and this workshop is no different. This product is called an EPS panel, and it is really good for fitting out shipping containers. Depending on the thickness of the EPS, we can achieve certain R values, so to be very compliant for building codes. This particular one's a 50 mil thick, so this is an off-cut cut of a piece of 50 mil thick EPS, and you can see here that we've got aluminium on both sides, and it's powder coated in surf mist. We do have options where this can be different colors from the manufacturer before we bring it in, and inside is a styrofoam filling. So really what we're trying to do is we're trying to limit that heat transfer from the outside of the container in. Now, if you touch this, it is stinking hot outside today, and that there is perfectly fine. It is really quite cool to touch, even without an air conditioner in this space. Thank you so much, guys, for taking another tour with us of this awesome 40-foot workshop. As you know, Port Shipping Containers are known Australia-wide for our sales, our hire, and our modifications. If you've got a project in mind similar to this or something completely different, reach out to us today. We've got you covered. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave some comments on the Facebook page. We'd love to hear from you. I'll catch you on the next one.